This is Max's truck. Wednesday, April 20, 8:18 in the morning. Max's truck. Unit number 539949. Nothing on the bumpers. Front end's nice. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, there's a bunch of little scratches, but nothing serious. Doing the under. No, Max is taking good care of this truck. Nothing up there. I don't know how well you can hear me because it's a windy day. Make sure the tailgate works. Yeah. More scratches, just like more, not really scratches, more like rub marks. They don't really break the paint. Don't really see anything on this truck.